right, time to take a look at the Perlegear speaker floor stands. So we got our instructions, we got, looks like a coupler, we got our hardware, and I like that they got it all separated out, so that's nice. Ooh, that is nice. So this is our plate, and this is where the speaker is going to sit on top of. We got our legs. I like the size on that. Very cool. So we got some holes in there so we can actually run the wires inside through the legs, so that's nice. We got our second plate, got our other leg, then we got our feet. So we already got the base attached to it, so that's nice. I believe they're gonna have base plates. Yes, these guys right here. That's actually pretty nice looking too. So super wide, and it looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna start with the screws. We'll slide the foot into the base, and then screw that in from the bottom. And then for the feet, we got these metal spikes. So if you're going to be putting this outside, this can be perfect for that. If you want to put it on the inside, you want to keep everything soft, we can just use this cap over top of it. And then we're going to throw these couplers on, and we'll put the top on that. And then the last thing are these plates on top. So nice, quick, and easy, and we got an extra screw just in case we lose one. Then the last thing are these rubber pads, so we can take these and we can add it onto the top if we want to increase the dampening, or even just to make sure that the speaker doesn't slide around if you don't have one with pads on the bottom. So you can throw these things on here. You can put in kind of whatever orientation you want. The way that they have it is pulled in from the corners to the center, but really you can put those on however you want. Now, my speaker already has some good rubber padding on the bottom, so I'm just going to use it like that. So that is a big Altec Lansing 200, and it fits that perfectly fine. And I do like that glass top on there. That really makes it look very nice. So yeah, overall, those are some nice speaker stands.